Hello and welcome to a super quick run from RC Empire and our TT-01 and a little bonus chase with a micro model. So let's get straight into it and see some action. First, let's jump on board with the Tamiya TT-01 and watch some track action. Again, the TT-01 with this Honda body is really bad at taking corners. In the next race season, we'll definitely have to get a different body with a little lower profile because it makes a huge difference. Although I do love the scale of the Honda body and it looks fantastic out on track. But what a lovely day to be running and great track conditions, and amazingly we also have our speedo working, which is a rare occurrence, but it does lag a bit. There it is, we've got in our sights a teeny tiny little Losi Micro short course truck. Now this is actually the 132 scaled one that they used to sell with two-wheel drive, as opposed to the 124th scale mini short course truck that you've seen in one of our past videos where we show you how to connect new battery terminals to it. And actually this micro short course truck we have here has a lipo battery in it, so it's pretty nippy, getting up to 18 miles per hour on the straight, which is amazing. Now we are lucky that the track surface here is so smooth, and that has taken a lot of work over a number of years to get it this nice, and we're really lucky to have such a nice track here. And actually, I reckon I could run a Kyosho Mini Z here, which would be fantastic to try out, although it's a huge track and the battery wouldn't last long. But finally, to finish off this mini video, here is some onboard footage with our TT-01 race spec. But that's it. I hope you enjoyed seeing these two models race around, and do let us know if you'd like to see anything else in particular. Please do rate, comment and subscribe for more content. But thank you for watching and see you soon.